David Gracie!
More and more homes have doorbell cameras to see who's stopping by.
Hello?
Ellie.
But they've also captured way more than just house guests, including this dancing mailman in Texas who rings the bell and then shakes it off.
Oh yes, wait a minute, Mr. Postman.
Watch as Gary Shirley drops moves worthy of the Marvelettes.
Oh yeah, please, please.
And this guy stopped by just to show off his rap skills. Before being photobombed by the dog. Woof. Doorbell cams have also caught good deeds. This teen in Sacramento returns a wallet with $1,500 inside that he found in the driveway, making one woman's day. The cameras have captured other sweet moments too. This couple starts their day off with a little bit of romance.
Hey. Just want to say I love you. Have a good day at work.
I love you too. Have a good day.
You look beautiful.
And these two share a hug and a high five on their doorstep. This boy uses the cam to send his dad a special message.
Dad? Dad?
David Gracie!
Dad! I love you!
And then asks him for help with the important stuff.
How do you turn on the kids channel?
How you doing on the kids channel?
Of course, even the best relationships have their moments. And then there are the animals. So many furry friends just dropping by. There's this daring raccoon with moves worthy of Mission Impossible. And this guy is just enjoying a moonlight bath. One camera caught these curious moose just moseying on through. And a dog with a passion for ringing the doorbell with his tongue gets a telling off from his owner.
You were licking it. I saw you.
It's literally raining cats at one house, while at another, it's time to make way for ducklings. Slow and steady, says this turtle. And oh, did we mention bears? In pools, in cars, and scaring felines. There are the goats,
Ma!
and this guy who just won't take no for an answer.
Chill, go. Hey, get out of here. Chill. Yo, leave me alone, bro. Go. Get out of here.
This cat is desperate to get back inside. But not as desperate as this woman is to get away from one.
Whoa!
Not to mention those pesky guests who don't even ring the bell at all. Just remember, when you knock on that door, someone may be watching. This is InsideEdition.com.